Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we will see how we can install and set up MySQL on our local machine. So our first step would be downloading the installer file. So let's head to mysql.com. Once you are on this page, click on Downloads tab, scroll a little down and select MySQL Community GPL Downloads. Here you can select MySQL Community Server and just click on Go to Download page. Here just download the first file, and here you can actually select no thanks, just start my download. You need not log in or sign up. So once your file is downloaded, just double click on it to open it. You might actually see a pop-up saying, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just select yes. So here on this page, we can actually select developer default, as it contains all the tools that we needed. For example, MySQL Workbench. Click on next, and it will show that all these tools are ready to be downloaded. Click on execute. Once everything is downloaded, click on next, click on execute. So once everything is installed, click on next, and here we can see everything looks good. Click on next, set up a password that you will use to log in into your MySQL database, and here you can add users as well if you want, but for us we'll just keep it simple. Click on next, and next. Click on finish, click on next. Keep everything default, finish, next, and here you can just check by entering your password that you created. It says connection successful. Click on next and execute and finish. Click on next, and we can unselect this as we just want SQL Workbench for now, and click on finish. MySQL Workbench opens. You can see there is a local instance here. Just to connect, click on it. It will ask you to enter the password that you created. Enter it. You can save it in the vault and OK. So you can see that it is connected now. Just to verify, we can run a basic query. And yeah, you can see everything is